Roku right now, as you can see, Roku is breaking out of levels, and right now we're looking for more to the Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. And today we're going to be talking about stocks. We're going to be dealing with stocks. I'm going to be giving you the lowdown and what I will be watching the coming week. And of course, we're going to be talking about the economic calendar. Okay, but before that, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. So we got that out of the way, and last week was really interesting week as we had Jay Power took center stage, right? And the market reacted based on his comment on the market and of course the economy. Okay, so we're gonna be looking at the US economic calendar year, and on Monday we have durable goods, followed by what we have San Francisco Fed president will be interviewed. Tuesday we're going to have consumer confidence, and Wednesday we're also going to have Fed Bostic as well. And Thursday, wow, we have advanced retail inventories and jobless claim, followed by GDP second revision. So keep an eye out on Thursday, as well as Friday. We have core PCE on Friday, followed by consumer sentiment. Okay, so Thursday, Friday, we're gonna have some action coming in. And not so much about Tuesday, but we're going to see what the consumer confidence data actually looks like, okay? Next week, I'm also going to be looking at earnings report. And these are the companies actually reporting earnings for next week, okay? So looking at this, we see that NVDA is there. Of course, that's one of our beauty after the market closed on Wednesday. Okay, and of course Monday, not really much going on Monday except BHP is gonna be reporting. On Tuesday we have Box reporting, BMO reporting. Wednesday we have Coles, Chewy reporting, ANF reporting, CrowdStrike, CRM reporting. I'm gonna show you the chart for CRM and figure that out for yourself. HP as well, also gonna be reporting. Bath and Body Works as well. Foot Locker is gonna reporting, and of course Thursday, Dollar General, Best Buy, Dell, Autodesk, Burlington, Cap, and as well as Alter. Okay, I do have that, and Warren Buffett also picked up some position on Alter. Okay, so Friday, nothing really much. We don't really care about that. Right, so let's get into what we're going to be dealing with today. Today we're going to be talking about really stocks, and these stocks are based on technical levels above 200, and of course maybe a few of them are below the 200 on the daily chart. Okay, now let's get into the market. First, let's see what the market is doing. So we have SPY, which is our Spider S&P 500 ETF, and what I am expecting this name to do is to continue to the upside right into 570. Reason is because at this point we have that flag, and whenever that flag comes in, guess what happens? We tend to push if it's a bullish flag, and this is a bullish flag and not a bearish flag. So we just need to get through 565 right here. Okay, get through this spot, and then we should be able to be on the way to 570 on SPY. That's my expectation. But if for any reason the market decides based on data to pull back into 555, I think we can pull back down to 550 or even 545. So keep an eye out. I think we can continue to push because this is that our 3-bar play. Okay, so keep an eye out there. First stock here is gonna be Boeing. Okay, BA at this point, right? We just don't know what's going on, and they are actually in conjunction with NASA and SpaceX, sort of the weekend news. So keep an eye out on this 20 exponential moving average as our support, with resistance right there at 177, 178, and then next 180. I have a long-term position on this name in anticipation for the move to the upside, since this gap has been really filled. Apple as well, Apple 230, that is the next spot. That is where I'm expecting the stock to continue to push to the upside, or at least retest the 235, 238 area to claim to pretty much get to that 240 long term. So keep an eye out on Apple. Roku right now, as you can see, Roku is breaking out of levels, and right now we're looking for more to the upside on this name as data begin to come in, and now we see that the volume is huge on this name. So next one is going to be CRW. Okay, so CrowdStrike also have earnings coming up next week, and pretty much we've really bounced back into the 275 area with 280 as our resistance. So more momentum comes in and they do good, then I'll be expecting more to the upside to about $300 per share. But with what happened, the issue with Microsoft and all that, and all the data issue, I think this may not do well. Okay, CRM also has earnings coming up, and what day is that? They have earnings coming up on Wednesday after the close, so keep an eye out on that name. So 270, that is my next spot. Ultimately, if price can push through 265, then 270, and of course $300 on that name. ABNB. Okay, ABNB, we're looking at bearish looking pattern right here. Okay, so this is bearish. If price gets here and cannot hold the 115 spot, then we can continue to pull lower on this name. Pfizer as well, PFE. PFE, we're looking at price at this 29.50, but I'm expecting more to the upside as level of support is right here on this trend. So trend right here, this is our support. So right now I'm looking for more to the upside on PFE. I do have some position and I'm just holding that. Of course, Tesla, we're looking at more push to the upside. Right now we are actually fighting the trend. You know, Tesla is always a trend name, so look for support right here and resistance right there. Volume comes in and then we may, you know, push to the upside or to the downside, but you also have the 203 as the support on that name. Coinbase, looking at Coinbase, we're finding support at the 200 moving average at this point, and with 215 in the cards next week. So keep an eye out on Coinbase there. Nike is slowly filling the gap. This is the gap right here. We got this huge gap and then boom to the downside. So right now we're looking to actually fill the gap. Not much to go. So keep an eye out on Nike as institutions begin to buy this name. CMG as well, right now is in a very good spot at the 200 moving average. You know, I don't think you have much risk on this. If as me you were buying right here at 64 or 68, then that is a huge risk, because you know you stand the chance of stock pulling back to the 200 SMA. So we're there right now, and we're beginning to find support around these areas for the move to the upside. So keep an eye out on this. I'm expecting by come next week I'll be adding to my long-term position on that name. Also guys, I'm also going to post AVGO on my Twitter and on a stock tweet. Okay, QQQ as well, QCOM as well as AAP ABT. Okay, thank you guys for being here. Enjoy your weekend guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.